Hello everyone, my name is Ira Cloud and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you how to do this nude, soft, everyday makeup look. So if you're interested how to do that, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so let's get started. I already did my skincare routine and my face is very soft, clean and moisturized. So before you do your makeup, make sure that you do your everyday skincare routine. Before I apply anything to my face, I'm going to prime. And for primer today, I'm using the NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer and applying it all over my face. I'm blending that in. Alright, my skin is primed and ready for makeup. And first, I'm going to color correct. I'm using the Rival Me Concealer Palette and I'm going to use green corrector to cover the redness on my face. I have new friends on my face. This is Anthony, this is Billy, and this is Bob. I'm going to cover them up using green corrector. Now I'm going to use red corrector to correct the blueness on my face. I have under the eyes and a little bit around my mouth. And I'm going to blend it using my fingertips to warm up this product and to blend it easily. And now I'm going to use the skin color of this corrector and I'm going to apply it on the areas where I applied the color corrector. I'm going to blend it once again using my fingertips. I'm not using the foundation today because this is everyday makeup look. Instead of foundation, I'm going to use two concealers. First concealer is L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer in the shade 327 Cashmere. And the second concealer is gonna be Pan Stick in the shade 12 True Beige. Normally, this is foundation for normal and dry skin, but because my skin is very oily, I'm going to use it as concealer. And first I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Concealer and I'm going to apply it under my eyes with triangle shape. This concealer is full coverage and I'm not using too much. Of course, it's too much. Okay, yes, it's too much. I'm using too much concealer. Okay. On my nose, on my forehead, like that, with 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3, like a small flower. On my chin, on my upper lip, and around my mouth. And now I'm going to blend it using damp beauty blender. I'm blending the concealer under my eyes, looking upwards. And now I'm going to apply the second concealer, the Max Factor Pan Stick in the shade 12 True Beige, on my blemishes using flat brush. I'm going to blend the second concealer with my fingertips around the pimples to leave maximum pigmentation directly on the pimple. Before I set my face with powder, I'm going to use the cream blush. This is Maybelline Dream Touch Blush in the shade 2. And I'm going to apply it on my cheeks, on my nose, on my forehead, and a little bit on my chin. And I'm going to blend it using my fingertips. And now I'm going to set my face using the transparent powder. Today I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder and I'm going to apply it all over my face. Before you set your under eye area, make sure to blend your concealer once again to avoid the creases. Time to contour, and for contour today I'm using my Inglot Sculpting Powder in the shade 510. and I'm going to do very lightweight contouring. I'm not using the cream contour because I have very oily skin. I'm contouring my cheeks, my nose, my forehead, my chin, and under the bottom lip to make my lips look fuller. Time for blush, and for blush today, I'm going to use the Bourjois Paris blush in the shade 54 Frosted Rose. I'm going to apply the blush on my cheeks, a little bit on my nose, on my forehead, and a little bit on my chin. To warm up my face, I'm going to use the bronzer, and for bronzer today, I'm using the Maybelline This City bronzer in the shade 250 Medium Warm. And I'm going to apply the bronzer on the same places where I applied the contour. And now it's time for eyebrows. And for eyebrows, I'm going to use my favorite brow pomade. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Taupe. I'm applying this brow product using the NYX Angled Brush number 18. I'm going to do my eyebrows as usually. First, I'm going to brush my hairs up with the spoolie and draw the line on the bottom of the brow. Then I'm going to brush my hairs down and draw the line on the top of the brow. Then I'm going to fill in my eyebrow, and using scratching motions, I'm going to fill in the inner corner of the brow. And then I'm going to brush my hairs up and down to blend the product. Now I'm using the transparent brow gel. This is Maybelline Brow Drama Sculpting Brow Mascara. Don't forget to carve up your brows with concealer to make them sharp and clean. Alright, brows are done and time for the eyes. And today I'm going to do very nude and lightweight eye makeup. And for the eyes, today I'm going to use the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette Warm Neutrals. As you can see, I already hit the pan because this is my favorite palette for everyday use. Before I apply my eyeshadow, first I'm going to prime my eyelids using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot Eyeshadow Primer. First, I'm going to apply matte beige color all over my eyelids and under my eyebrow. Before you apply your eyeshadow, make sure to blend once again your eyeshadow primer to avoid the creases. You can apply beige eyeshadow, put your mascara on and call it a day, but today I'm going to define my crease. I'm going to use the warm taupe shade from the same palette, and I'm going to apply it in my crease using big blending brush with circular motions. Also, I'm going to apply the same shade on the lower eyelid. You have to apply this shades without any pressure on the brush. To highlight the inner corner and the brow bone, I'm going to use the MAC highlighter in the shade C18 Soft and Gentle. For mascara today, I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And first, I'm going to apply it on the lower and then on the upper eyelashes. I'm going to apply only one layer of mascara because it is everyday makeup look. I'm going to use the eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes. But first, I'm going to wait until mascara dries out completely. Alright, time for lips, and before I apply any lipstick to my lips, I have to prime my lips. And for primer, I'm going to use the MAC Prep and Prime Lip Primer. For liner, today I'm going to use the Essence Lip Liner in the shade 4 Naive, and I'm going to overline my lips. Time for the lipstick. I'm using the NYX lip brush number 20 to make my lips more sharp. Don't forget to use concealer and flat brush to carve up your lips. Time for the setting spray and highlighter. For setting spray today, I'm going to use the Diego Dalla Palma setting spray. And after the setting spray, I'm going to use the MAC highlighter in the shade C18 Soft and Gentle. Alright guys, and that was nude, soft, everyday makeup look. If you enjoyed watching this video, had fun with me, or found it useful, then like this video and subscribe to my channel. And see you in my next video. Bye!